Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the March Witches Bounty Box. I know I'm behind, but I thought it was really important for continuity that I make sure that I unbox these so that if you're looking to invest your money, you kind of know what the vibe is, you know, what the past experience has been, and I cannot speak highly enough about the witches, moon, roots, and bounty, so you definitely don't want to miss this. Oh, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's check it out. All right. What's our theme? I always read this last, but I like to look at the theme. Ooh, the scarab. Nice. Oh, we've got a beautiful artwork. I absolutely love the artwork. I'm gonna pick up as much of these Dealy Bobs as possible. Put them in my Dealy Bob box that I have prepared for this occasion. First thing I got here is a beautiful little stone. I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at here, but let's come back to that. And we've got our candle. Got a beautiful, like almost natural honey. Beeswax color. It smells divine. Love it. Ooh. We've got like a nude, almost natural fiber necklace. Like, you know, the chain. Patchouli. Like I was saying before, I love single item or condition incenses. And patchouli is just a vibe. We got our oil. Higher Hope. Higher Hope. Very cool. Let's smell her. It smells very familiar. Maybe like a chamomile or something. We will look and see. Alright, before we open our beautiful item. These, oh, by the way, this box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. Oh my gosh, I haven't opened one of these in so long. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how lovely this is. Ooh. Careful, careful. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Sterling silver pendant with citrine, amethyst, and carved phosphosiderite. So amethyst, citrine, phosphosiderite, silver. Very, very cool. Let's check it out, my friends. We are emboldened by the strength we find within the natural cycles that surround all living things. Life, death, and rebirth are significant procedures if we allow ourselves to spiritually relate to each step. As we face our fears, acknowledge our shortcomings, and remain honest with ourselves, we begin to grow in ways that bring us power and purpose. This power fuels the fire that burns deep within our souls and elevates us to new realms of possibility. We are born new again each day with the ability to transform what may happen and how we allow it to make an impression. In this very special collection, we provide one-of-a-kind tools to bring you strength and power on your journey of regeneration and rebirth. So we got the carved phosphosiderite scarab pendant with citrine and amethyst. Ooh, thought I felt the baby move. Just hold on. The scarab, found within the rich history and craftsmanship of ancient Egypt, was a popular amulet. I'm trying to look what. A phosphosiderite. Okay. A rare mineral commonly cut into the shape of a cabochon. So like a little, like a gem in the middle of a necklace or a centerpiece or something. Torchbearer. Phosphosiderite carries within its essence such assertive and bold energies. Stay focused on goals. Gives us the ability and stamina to follow through to completion. Very cool. So I'm just going to there's a lot of information. You can kind of come back and pause it and look at that. Higher Hope Magical Anointing Oil. It's got jasmine, almond, rose, patchouli, clove, and chamomile, as well as lemon and rose petals. Very cool. Patchouli ritual incense sticks. Solar Skies hand-rolled spell candle. Rough petalite stone. Petalite. Carry this stone with you throughout your day or place it upon your altar to elevate your spirit and expand your awareness. Scarab Book of Shadows artwork. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Man, this is really, really nice. Just one more look at this absolutely lovely little... It is very cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.